Hi guys.
Mara is washing the kite.
Pitchy break.
Hi guys.
Hey, hi guys, I am cultural secretary.
Shut your mouth, yak. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back. Hi guys.
You lost me?
Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be doing the spicy noodle challenge, and Aka, Tapasya and Aditi are dying. So cheers to that. Yeah.
So now we're going to go make the noodles. Tapasya is not making because she's a cheater and she will cheating.
Because she has cheater in the surname. Huh?
Yeah.
Shut up.
Cheater
Tapasya,
papa.
Chitty Papa.
Cheater papa.
Cheater Papa.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go, guys. It's the chair. Shut up. So we are eating. So we made the noodles. Okay. What the? Can you not put sanitizer?
Are you
I
sure
saw-
it's sanitizer?
Yeah, I saw from there. Shut up. Stop.
I don't
Ashi.
like this.
Yeah, so we'll be
Put all the
eating the
liquid
spicy
things away.
noodles. It's top ramen. It's not that Korean thing, but yeah.
See, we don't support Korean products in our YouTube video.
Yes.
Vocal for local.
You're not. You're not.
Come, can we? I can see from there.
See what?
Kitapati.
It's not like. It's not like that.
It's not at all.
It's not at all and all, no?
It's not. It's actually tasty.
not,
nice.
no.
It has one sweet taste. I don't know.
That is hot and
Wow,
sweet.
much-
Which you did Naivedya.
Yeah. That's why you shouldn't give.
No. That is,
Please don't put your. I don't like sauce. I don't like sauce.
It's
See,
not
it
sweet.
was
Put sauce in
like
that.
it, so-
On public demand.
now mix it.
Don't put all of this. I don't like it. Don't mix it. Don't mix it.
Get that red sauce. Take red chili, red chili. For mine, I want.
No.
Hey, we want spicy.
You want, you don't. No.
Is it spicy now?
No, huh?
Is it doing?
Hey, get karapudi. Get karapudi.
My girl will put 3 spoons karapudi.
Hey, bro, it's not that.
Tapasya,
This is
eat
also
it
not
like that.
spicy.
Tapasya, eat one like that. Eat one like that. Eat one like that. Putki, you have to eat one. One.
This
She's
one is
already
very
there.
spicy.
No.
Just one.
See someone that you know and they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
They'll start unfollowing you on Instagram, then you'll end up with 0 followers.
Beep, 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 beep.
Cancel.
One more spoon. Tapasya, come on.
Stop, Ashi.
That's why I told don't give it to Arvind. Nobody listens to me.
Give it to me.
No.
Okay, I can take it.
No.
Give that bowl.
Water man.
Come
Wait, no water now.
We'll try it
Now the
once.
spices hit Tapasya.
Hey, Putki, put in this. You only put.
See, we love you guys so much
Color
that
only
you're doing
thing.
so many things for you
Nothing you're
guys.
doing. Nothing you're doing.
I'm just getting bullied into
No.
this,
Then
guys.
I'll believe.
Now it's coming.
Bro, see color difference, bro.
Gonna give it. Gonna give it.
You know that hot chip is for the loser. Whoever doesn't finish.
100 rupees we're ready to Which guys?
Junior.
Hi, Putki.
Hi, put it.
Crying. She's
It's
crying.
not even half.
I'm not even kidding. Look at it. I'm not even kidding.
Zoom.
Bro.
Okay, Ashi's going to start the dance now.
Can you stop farting?
That's the pillow.
See, Tapasya, it'll be heard in YouTube. Yeah, your fart. Okay, everyone.
It's not that spicy also, please.
Ashi, I didn't make it obvious that she farted.
The pillow.
See,
Guys,
Some-
how do you
Cancel.
eat?
Bad words. Bad words.
You'll get
Okay.
lose motion.
Tapasya, you want to have green chili?
I already have.
Yeah, once. Hey, Tapasya, one bite. Uncle, you maki.
Zoom.
Bhumika and me are like the same.
Hey, Bhukaya, and you're talking about spice.
Please.
When she goes to Meghna, she'll put like so much rice and so much curd.
Yeah, but she acts like that because she's the most spice conscious girl we've ever seen. Kahuka part 2, Tapasya's sister.
I don't eat anything.
If you're Kahu, Bhumika's yemme.
Papa!
I know. No
Putku is good. Meh.
Bakri.
Bakri effect came.
I'm feeling dizzy.
Hui.
Hey, give us some sugar or something, no?
Wait, let her finish the thing. I want to see what will happen.
Bro.
We'll carry you, we'll
Kannada
carry you.
dialogue. ಮನೇಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದ. Today my invigilator, okay, they passed comments. He's like, ಮನೇಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ರ TC ಸಿಗತ್ತಂತ.
I'm done.
With life?
Tapasya, come on, Tapasya.
But it's not spicy. You said it yourself.
Yeah, it's not spicy.
Spicy.
It's not that spicy as much as I thought. But
A, B, C, D, E, F,
G, H, I, J, K. Spicy. Dhanush, too spicy. Not that spicy.
Spicy, huh? Fine, huh?
I want Bisleri.
Bisleri needle.
Biseri.
Hey, Bisleri water is already. No.
She.
Did I put?
You
this?
would have.
Like this.
You would have.
I'm asking you.
Hey, by mistake, you put
Papa,
it on a
bro.
face shield. If you're ready over here, Aditi put a beep, 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 beep.
It will become Kara.
ಕಳ್ಳೀವಳು ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಕಳ್ಳೀವಳು
Okay, anyone who wants to smell orange? Anyone who wants to?
Who wants? Today's sponsors.
Keep the ball. You know.
Hey, see, I'm a
Give it up.
No.
Give me 1 second. No.
Hey, what is that man?
This guy is mad about his calcite badge.
Yeah, he's a dalimbre.
She got it because she made one full jump and down.
Didn't fall only, yeah.
Don't do like this.
Hey, why we got this?
I'm not eating, they're doing cheating. No, you come.
You're the winner.
Ashi, why we got this?
They're just cheating.
ನಿನ್ನ ಗಂಗಾ ನಾಗವಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡು
Fell on you, huh?
Hey, wait, yeah, give it.
And guys, our challenger is back.
Hey,
The
Aditi
champion.
is always in our team, you know, we won last time. We three winners. Remember
Yeah,
Tapasya's team losing after eating a sock also.
7 seconds challenge.
They ate a sock. It's a challenge where you have to finish the bowl of noodles. And they are Putki is wasting her time. So I am clearly winning. So shut the fuck up.
No,
Beep, beep,
Shut the fuck up.
no.
beep, 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 beep.
It's that bitch.
Beep.
Beep, 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 beep.
got high rating chili.
Where is it? Who has put this cheating? You're very tempted for both of you to do that.
Hey, Putki, shut up.
Tapasya.
If you can finish before, then
Tapasya.
you win.
Tapasya. Tapasya.
Oh.
But Aditi wins. What is
For first
Sit
time.
down for 2 minutes. Sit down for 2 minutes and
Get the
breathe.
water. Where's that bottle, bro?
Where's that bottle? Here. Where's water?
Hey, Ashi. Full video promotion for my college. Admission ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Clarence. No.
Florence. St. Florence. Psych! That's the wrong number!
Bro,
It doesn't
spassy, bro, spassy. Not.
You have power, right? You have not.
I didn't do it. I didn't. She just sprinkled it from above.
ಈಗ ನೀವು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಬ್ರೇಕಿಂಗ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ತಪಸ್ಯ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಳು 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 ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್
ದೇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಷ್ಟ ನಮಗೆ. I vote for you. So, the topic of today's debate.
So we've come to the end of the video. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope we
Entertain you?
yeah.
I hope so.
We hope it was
and for our next video it is going to be roast tapasya.
Bullshit, no?
Please stay tuned.
No, I'm
And
not
we're going
coming.
to have a question session on Instagram, so you can drop in your questions and ask us whatever you want, and we will be answering it. One video.
Hope you enjoyed this spicy
Yes.
video.
Yeah.
And
Spicy video.
see you next time.
Bye. Like, subscribe, comment, do
Share
everything.
money.
Yes, share money.
money.
Bye.
Just money.
Ha, ha.